Welcome to Michelle Holden Art, and don't forget to sign up for the 5-day free course, Intuitive Layers, Inner Exploration, where I guide you through my layering process to start you on your intuitive art journaling journey. Well, hello and welcome to my channel, and I've called this How Small Marks Build Big Stories because the more I go on my journey, I'm discovering that mark making is the fundamental act of creating lines, shapes, and textures, and it's really central part of this process. And slowing down and listening to our intuition during this process is crucial for a couple of reasons, and then I'll talk about what I'm doing here. This is my new mark making series where I've started a separate journal where I've extended my practice to going deeper into my mark making, because it is one really fine way, a good way to enhance my artistic authenticity. And my intuition is my inner compass, and it is our guide to making these decisions, to learning and connecting more deeply to our inner selves. And this authenticity and the work that happens is, it really carries a unique personal signature, especially because it's a visual of what's really happening if you are diving deeper to discover your true self, connect to your intuition, and be aligned with what really resonates with you. And so the mark making is just a visual expression of what's really going on when we're learning and discovering about our true selves. So I've started this new series, and I'm really enjoying how fluent the flow is becoming. And this is in real time, so as you can see, it is under 10 minutes. Now, I had a few things previously laid out, leftovers mostly. Actually, yes, they were all leftovers. And remnants of the previous palette of last week's video, which was an influence of pink, and then I added the yellow oxide or ochre, if you don't have yellow oxide, with black and white. So really keeping the palette simple, choosing the colors that I really felt like using during this particular art session. And I couldn't believe how easy it went. And as you can see, I'm really enjoying not speeding up my videos for this particular series anyway. If I'm going, doing long things and it's sort of repetitive, I'll speed up sections to save time. But I'm leaving the sound of the tearing collage papers in there, and just letting you sort of watch as I go. As you can see, I really am loving the transparencies of different papers and layer over layer, and watching that develop over time. And at the end of this session, I use my self-reflection PDF, which you can get. The link is in the comment section and in the YouTube channel above, on my channel. And so excuse me, I have a very bad cold and my voice has almost gone away. And that doesn't matter because I just love doing this anyway. And I really, really am enjoying the very transparent layers that the transparent white by Liquitex, it is the heavy, or it's the, it comes in the tube, so it's the regular paint, it's not the fluid, and it is wonderful. So, high contrast, black and white with a couple of different colors, playing with some differences here, the speckled collage with the big dots and the swirly lines. And then I thought, oh, I need to try out my new circle stencil. And I thought it might really go well here because I thought, well, what isn't here yet? And that's basically all the thinking I'm doing, but really enjoying this particular art journaling session. And as you can see, you can find the time. If you have a station, you leave it out. Maybe when you finish up, you clean it up, put some things out that you want to use next, and just go from there. And that's what I've been doing. I've been doing more shorter sessions so I can keep connected to this intuition, my intuitive flow more often, and then move forward from there. So I hope you are enjoying and making and starting your intuitive journey. And please remember to give that 5-day course a try. And it comes with a supporting Facebook group. At the end, you get the link. And we are more than 100 now, and we're meeting twice a month. So the next one is November 17th. And then, of course, in December, I will have just one because of the busy Christmas holidays. And in the new year, we'll go from there. So I hope to see you there. And as you can see, I love my gold pen. I love when it's sort of metallic next to the yellow oxide. But I'm learning to use the same or my favorite art tools in different ways. And just keep going. There's lots of layers in this page, but then there's a lot of open space too, where you can see the previous early marks or textures. And finding quiet or stillness and an intention is, I think, important in this. My intention was just to play with these new colors and use my tools further so I can just keep on going. And of course, always exploring with my translucent or transparent layers. So I hope you joined the journey. I hope you enjoyed this short but really effective video. And I will see you in the new one, in the next video.